Good day, my significant viewers, and welcome to another exciting class. I remain Mr. Simplicity, and I'll be taking you through the topic differentiation from first principle today. It's a continuation. We're looking at the function secx. So let's see how we can get that solved following the procedure we started using from the previous videos. Okay, so now we have the next step says we should replace x with x plus change in x. So we'll do the same thing on the right. We have sec x plus change in x. So then the second minus the first will give us f of x plus change in x minus f of x equals to sec x plus change in x minus sec x. Okay, so what you need to note here is that sec is the same thing as 1 over cos x. In our trigonometry relationship, we show that sec s is equals to 1 over cos x. So we're going to replace all the sec with 1 over cos. If I do that, I'll be having 1 over cos x plus change in x minus 1 over cos x. Now we made a fraction. So these fractions, we can solve them by taking LCM. So the LCM at the denominator, you bring the two terms together, plus change in x times cos x. 1 times cos x will give us cos x, minus 1 times cos x plus dx will give us cos x plus dx. Okay? So if you observe, the numerator, we have cos A minus cos B. That means I can recall the identity cos A minus cos B. We used it in one of the problems we solved previously. So if I recall it, I'm going to have cos A minus cos B, which is equals to minus 2 sine A plus B over 2 sine A minus B over 2. So I'm going to replace the numerator with this identity. In this case, my A is x, while my B is x plus delta x. So let's substitute and see what we'll get. So if I replace this and substitute, everything would become minus 2 sine A is x, B is x plus dx, sine A is x minus x plus dx, all over cos x plus dx cos x. Okay, the denominator remains the same. So if you look at what we have now, over 2. So this is what we have now. Then if you look at what we have now, x plus x is 2x. We have minus 2 sine 2x plus delta x over 2 sine x minus x is gone. Minus plus is minus. So I have minus delta x over 2 remaining. Okay. So what you need to do now is to make this one a special limit. Before then, our denominator cos x plus delta x cos x. So make this guy a special limit. You're going to have minus 2 sine 2x plus delta x over 2 times minus delta x over 2 sine minus delta x over 2 all over minus delta x over 2 divided by cos x plus delta x cos x. If you are used to this principle of making sign a special limit, this step will not be an issue. So that anytime I say make this a special limit, you know that all you need to do is to multiply by what you have, divide by what you have. It becomes a special limit. Okay, every other thing remaining in their position. So let's go on. So to take us further, we need a free data x, which we already have. 2 can cancel out. Minus minus is plus. So what we have left is sine 2x plus data x over 2 dot data x sine minus data x over 2 over data x minus data x over 2 all over cos x plus data x cos x. The next thing I want to do is to move to the next step that says divide through by data x. So if I divide through by data x, I'm going to have everything now becomes f of x plus data x minus f of x all over data x equals to sine 2x plus data x over 2 times data x sine minus data x over 2 minus data x over 2 all over cos x plus data x cos x. So everything divided by data x. So this data x will cancel out the free data x, like we always say it. So what is remaining now is sine 2x plus data x over 2 sine minus data x over 2 all over minus data x over 2 all over cos x plus data x cos x. So if you observe this, you can see we can take limit now. And if we take limit, this is a special limit, which is 1. So I can come here and say take limit as data x tends to 0, f of x plus data x minus f of x. Whoa. Are we good? F of x plus data x minus f of x all over data x. So all of this is equal to everything we have here, but data x becomes 0 and the special limit becomes 1, like that. So we have sine 2x plus 0 over 2 times 1 over cos x plus 0 cos x. So 2x plus 0 is 2x, divided by 2 is x, times 1 sine x. So I have sine x over cos x cos s. S plus 0 is x. Okay? So now what we have now is sine x over cos x times 1 over cos x. Sine over cos is tan. 1 over cos is sec. So it's usually written as sec x tan x. This is my f prime of x. Okay? So this is it for sec x. Whenever we are given sec x to differentiate, the answer is sec x tan x.